Hey guys, this is Enrico with pragmaticreviews.com. Today we're going to create a new bot with automate.io. Today we're going to create a bot that every time we upload a new video to a Google Drive folder, we'll pick that video up and it's going to send a URL to watch this video to a Slack channel. Okay, here I created a videos folder on my Google Drive, and I also created a videos channel here on Slack. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new bot that every time that I upload a video to this folder is going to pick that video up and is going to send a URL to watch this video on this Slack channel. Okay, let's create a bot then. And I'm going to select Google Drive. And I'm going to select new file in folder as the trigger event. I'm going to select the videos folder. And I'm going to select Slack as the action app. And here I'm going to select send a channel message as the action. I'm going to select a public channel that is going to be the videos channel. And in the message box, I'm going to enter watch this video now. And I'm going to drag and drop the file web view link. This is the URL that is going to allow me to watch the video on Slack. I'm going to save this. I'm going to activate this bot. I'm going to skip the test. Okay, this is the bot that we created between Google Drive and Slack. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you first the video that I'm going to upload to the Google Drive folder that is about cars. It's in low quality to make things faster. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to the Google Drive folder and I'm going to upload that video. So the upload is now complete. Okay, we're here in the activity folder. I'm going to refresh this and we should see this new URL in our Slack channel in just a few seconds. Okay, the bot is running. And now if we go to Slack, then we can see that we have our video URL and we can access it here. And this is the video. So that's pretty much what I have for today. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you, and I see you on the next video. Bye.